Hello and welcome to my messy workshop. My name is Stefano and I've been building guitars for the last 3 years. I learned most of it through YouTube, namely Crimson obviously, and Fletcher Guitars, who's also very awesome. And so I thought it would be fun to start doing this myself, see what happens. I took the chance with the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021. So I'm a contestant there. I hope you enjoy my entry. So my project for this series is a semi-hollow flying V with quite a few bells and whistles. It's gonna be like arched and stuff. It's gonna be, I hope it's gonna be very cool. For now it looks very nice. So this video is about how I built the body, and then in the series we'll go on to see other stuff. And yeah. Okay, let's get started with the first step. I decided not to use a template. I'm gonna draw the shape onto the wood itself, this nice piece of mahogany. It's very heavy and big, but I think after hollowing it out and cutting the shape out should be fine. Okay, let's get started.
You've seen all my different eyes, but the state I'm in, I will never compromise. A bit of truth tastes sweet and new. God will never know, but I'm sure that we will. Wasting time takes ages all by myself. If you kill this silence I have taught you well, so burn the books and wish for a scar. Take me back to before it was done, and bring back the sun. Show me my way, 'cause rumor has it you're here to stay. Let's talk in tongues just like the first time we met. It's 3 games secrets, 2 of them are dead. You and I are the last of the kind. We couldn't see, but
So as you can see, I have drawn out my shape with a couple of sketches of what I want to include in the design. So the first step is going to be to cut this V shape out on the bandsaw, which is not going to be the easiest because this piece of wood is quite big and quite heavy, while my bandsaw is fairly small. So wish me luck. Okay, here we go. First cut.
bring back my son and light my way. 'Cause rumor has it you ran away. You're under the gun just like the last time we met. It's 2 can't keep secrets, 1 of them is dead. Don't forget how it started. I met you in a bottle. Let's agree we
As you can see, I cut out the general shape of it. As you can see, I have a ridiculous amount of scrap, but I already checked, and if I do a neck through design, I can actually get a second V out of this. Next up, sanding.
don't forget how it started. I met you in a bottle. Let's agree we ain't sorry. Let's agree we ain't.
Okay, so for the next part, I'm gonna be hollowing out the body. First, I'm gonna do some channels, which are gonna become our exhaust ports. And then with a Forstner bit, I will be hollowing out the rest. Gonna try to take off as much material as I can because I like lighter guitars. Okay, so next up I'm gonna be taking care of the top. I decided to do something with 3 areas, 2 of them a bit lower and 1 a bit raised. And in between I'll be running some binding, so that's gonna be nice.
Nothing happens to us anyway. We'd rather watch snakes and drag around their necks, hanging loose, about to snap. Snakes and drag around their necks, hanging loose, about to snap.
So now that I have cut out and thicknessed the 3 parts of the top, I'm ready for the glue up.
Feels like few days, less than a million years.
Nice. Change of plans. I decided that instead of having just 2 levels, I'm gonna have this part be raised, but then here I'm gonna go to the same level.
Since what you confessed seemed real to me, are you speaking in jigsaws? Are you playing games? Did you leave me alone for my own sake?
So at this point my design has a little bit of a flaw. There's a significant gap between the binding and the body. So I made this little putty out of glue and some sawdust, and I'm gonna fill that up now.
Whatever is what will always be. Nothing ever changes, it's plain to see. Whatever I say, it won't change a thing. You've gone away, but I can hear you say.
Okay, so now the putty's done. I'm ready to glue.
Out of my mind, no other side to our bed. Wherever you are, I know that I'm not. Are you hiding away, or is it just that I forgot to tell you I lost myself? And I hope you're looking for me elsewhere, 'cause everything seems long ago. Yes, I know.
Not nearly enough clamps, but we'll see what happens. More binding.
Did we ever share thunder in our bones? The illusion we met is ready to implode. Come out and play and whisper in my ear. It's a stroke of genius that tells me I'm near. No longer trapped behind my eyes. Decisive goal that's repeating in time. There is no point in asking where you've been. I've walked these streets, I'll guide you in. No one's right, I lost myself, and I hope you.
Okay, so thank you for watching all the way through. This is the end result of the first part of the build. Obviously there's going to be a lot of carving and stuff, but that's for another video. So yeah, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all of that good stuff. Show this video to your friends, to your parents, to your grandma, everybody. I hope to see you for the next one. The next one's going to be about the neck. And yeah, see you soon.